How to unarchive stories on Instagram. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you how to unarchive stories on Instagram. Whether you want to highlight a favorite memory or just repost something special, you can unarchive your stories on Instagram with just a few simple steps. Just follow along with this step-by-step tutorial until the end. So, to unarchive stories on Instagram. First things first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen to open your profile page. Once you're on your profile, you'll notice 3 lines at the top right corner. Go ahead and tap on those to open up a menu. Now, you'll see several options like Saved, Archive, Your Activity, and more. From these options, you're going to want to tap on Archive. This is where Instagram stores all your archived stories. Here, you can scroll through and find the specific story you want to unarchive. Now, you can choose whichever story you'd like to unarchive. I'm going to pick the most recent one, which you'll find at the bottom right. Once you've selected your story, you have 2 options. You can add it to your highlights by tapping the Highlight button. This keeps the story visible on your profile. Or, if you want to repost it, tap on More and then Share as Post. This will share your archive story as a new post, but don't worry, it will still stay in your archive. Essentially, it's like unarchiving, but with a fresh twist. Now, if you want to delete it, simply click on Delete and then delete again to confirm. And that's it. Now you know how to unarchive stories on Instagram. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.